Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2011 Hot Wheels. This is from the Hot Wheels Racing 2011, the 41 Willys. So there's a lot of 41 Willys Hot Wheels castings that were created, but this one is called the Custom 41 Willys Coupe, and that's what this particular casting is going to be referred to as. This is 152 of 244 for 2011. You can see the nice card work there. Number 2 of 10 of the Hot Wheels Racing 2011 series. V0031 is the number, and it's on an international card. Here's all the other cards you can get. And 2010 copyright. And in 2011, they came out with a blue one, and then they came out with a white one from the same set. Then they also made another black one with red line 5-spoke wheels and a different color interior for a Walmart exclusive. Alright, let's get this one open. It's already mostly open. I just decided to finish it off. And look at that. That's just perfect pop open there. Here's the car. 41 Willys Coupe. Custom 41 Willys Coupe. I got this one a few days ago and I just couldn't wait to get it open because it was like already half open and the glue was really bad on it. Yes, we're doing another outside unboxing today. I like it outside, but it's really slushy and rainy today. Here's the front of the casting. Very cool. Look at that. No painted details, but we do have Hot Wheels and a silver tampo on the side. We got 5-spoke wheels. Number 2 right there. The roll cage interior. Can you see the gray interior? And here's the hood. Number 2 on the hood as well. Chrome engine, or chrome hood scoop. Look at the sleek ride. This is really cool. We got some gray striping, or silver striping rather. Nice gloss black. You can see that. You can see the split windows right in the back there. Just a very cool car. Those wheels spun very well. It's a very cool casting. Very cool classic vehicle. 41 Willys Coupe. Custom 41 Willys Coupe. 2011 Hot Wheels Racing Series. All the black on top is the die-cast part of this casting. It's like a lowrider. And plastic base. Black plastic base. Base code is D29. I think that signifies the week or month that it was made. And it's starting to get rainy out here. 2008 copyright. This casting first came out in 2009. Custom 41 Willys Coupe. That's the real name. Made in Malaysia. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.